Hello and welcome to this channel. I am Blurfy, Eye of Daz. For today's video, I'm showing you how to use ADGUARD'S public DNS servers to protect our kids from accessing websites that has an adult content. This is for parents' awareness. You don't know what you kids are accessing through the internet. So, to filter websites that are harmful to kids, we will use ADGUARD'S public DNS. This is safe and free to use. Now let's get started. First, let's go to ADGUARD'S official website. Then go to public DNS. We will use method number 2, configure ADGUARD DNS manually. Now, we will select routers if we want to use the DNS to our routers. In this case, the web filter will block ads and adult content on the network level. This means that whoever connects to your network or Wi-Fi will be protected by ADGUARD'S DNS. Just log into your router and find the option that will change your default DNS server. I am using Cloudflare's public DNS here. You just need to replace it with ADGUARD'S DNS that are provided here. In this case, we will use family protection servers. This will block ads, trackers, adult content, and enable safe search. Just copy this IP address here to your router's DNS settings. And that's it. Your kids are now protected whatever devices they want to use, as long as they are connected to your network. Now, if you want to use ADGUARD'S DNS to a specific device, the process is the same. Let's try it with an Android device. The steps are provided here on how to configure it on Android devices. You have to find private DNS on your settings. Let's open our Android device to test the DNS. In my case, it is located in connection and sharing. This could be different in your device. You can search it if there is a search box in your settings. We will modify here our designated private DNS. As you can see here, I am already using ADGUARD'S DNS to block ads, but we will change it to Family Protection Server. Copy the link and paste it there. As you can see, we are now connected to ADGUARD'S Family Protection Server. Now let's test it if it is working. Let's visit an adult website and see if ADGUARD'S DNS will block it. Great, it is working. As you can see, the website is now blocked. You can also use ADGUARD'S public DNS to other devices like Windows, iOS, macOS, and Linux. It is also applicable to smart TV and game consoles. And that's it. That way, you can protect your kids from harmful websites on the internet. This is Blurfy, AI of DAS. Protect your kids. See you on the next one.